Welcome to our Testing and Automation course category, your gateway to building better software faster. These hands-on, expert-led courses cover everything from unit testing to automation frameworks and AI-powered tools. You'll learn how to catch issues early, streamline your workflows, and deliver reliable, high-performing applications with confidence. Each course is guided live by seasoned instructors who bring deep industry experience, ensuring you leave with not just technical know-how, but practical strategies you can use on the job right away. You'll walk away with rich playbooks, lab experience, and a clear learning path for continued growth. Whether you're an individual looking for a public class or seeking expert-led training for your team, or searching for a trusted partner to create a scalable enterprise-wide learning plan for your organization, we've got flexible options to support your success. Check out the full list of courses below to find the right one for your needs. And if you're interested in special rates or private team training, reach out today. We're here to support your success.